If you haven't heard, Tesla has been making some wild moves to start off 2023 with a bang, cutting the prices of their cars by up to $21,000 overnight. While leaving many new owners frustrated, Tesla's new price cuts now qualify the Model 3 and Y for a huge tax credit. Newer Teslas are also now getting shipped without ultrasonic sensors, with no Tesla Vision alternative for park assist just yet. Regardless of the extremely mixed reactions in the community right now, Tesla's demand has once again been skyrocketing, leading to a very positive month for stockholders after a very rough year. However, I haven't heard anybody talk about what I am most excited about. The Roadster Diecast finally came back in stock for the first time in a long time, and I just had to get my hands on it. Let's check it out. Okay, so I've been waiting about a year and a half for this to come in stock. I actually thought that they would not make it again, but here we are. Sick. I was actually originally planning to put it here in my computer, but it might actually be too big. I want it to kind of look like it's parked underneath my graphics card. So it comes in this nice packaging. Let's go for the reveal. I'm assuming this is a cloth? Yeah. Oh, this looks so cool. Ooh, that is sick. Wow. I'll get some cinematic shots here. I just got a new camera slider recently, so I'll go ahead and try out that new slider on this thingy. I'll go ahead and take it out of this box. I'm like afraid to touch it because it's so clean looking. But it did come with this cloth. This is similar to the cloth that you get in the actual cars for wiping the screen. It's not as nice as those ones though. Oh my goodness. It's so heavy. And there's actually another cloth underneath. It's like £1.50 pounds, I think. Oh my gosh. This thing costs $175 and it feels like it does. The quality feels nice enough to kind of justify charging $175 for a toy model. Wow. And the box inside says Roadster. Okay, so I figured out how to open the trunk. You're just gonna have to go in there with your hand and like pop it up a bit, and that stays open a little bit. And you can open the doors as well. Pretty sweet. But in the back here is the roof. The little roof here comes in this Ziploc bag. This is the front end, really close up. I believe the final Roadster will also look like this. The spinning of the wheels is not very smooth. I can't believe they actually have axles on the thing that spin or that turn. That's pretty cool. I'll go ahead and take the roof off just by lifting it and pulling it out there. If we take a look on the inside here, you can actually see the yoke. Now, of course, we're looking at the original version of the Roadster refresh, which is likely different now because this has a vertical screen. And as we know, all Teslas are doing away with that vertical screen layout because it's way better to have a landscape layout than a portrait layout. This is very, very cool. I cannot believe how heavy this thing is. The whole thing is like mostly solid metal. And if you are unaware, the Roadster Diecast has been out of stock for a while. I've been on the list to be notified for stock for quite some time. I would say a year to a year and a half. So I was very excited to see this because I really wanted it as a decorative piece, either for my room or my computer. There's the little corner windows here, but there's no like main windows. So I've taken a pretty good look at the car now, and I can say with confidence that this is definitely the most robust and beautiful looking model car that I have seen personally. I'm a big fan of the Tesla Roadster, even though it's not out yet, at least the refreshed one. I do think this will be the best looking car on the road probably. So I've actually heard that there's some news surrounding the Roadster recently. They've improved every aspect of the actual Roadster since they originally announced the new version, but it's not at all of priority. I initially thought we would see Roadster sometime this year. I would not be surprised if we see it in 2026, to be honest. I'm very excited for this thing to officially release. In regards to the diecast itself, very high quality. The paint is stunning, stunningly beautiful. I love it. The Tesla logo in the front is pretty high quality too. I like that they come with little cloths to wipe them off with because it is a glossy finish, so it attracts a lot of fingerprints. And to be honest, for a piece this high quality, I would say that the $175 price tag is worth it if you are a collector type of person, if you want something cool to display, and if you're overall just an avid Tesla fan like myself. You know, it's not perfect, but it is pretty nice. Like, there's some micro abrasions in some spots of the paint, very, very small. The material of the interior of the car is a little bit cheap, I feel like. Other than that, I mean, the exterior is absolutely beautiful. The paint is beautiful, possibly even more beautiful than the real cars. I actually have a red plaid, but I wrapped it. If you haven't seen my custom Model S plaid video, I implore you to go check that out. It's a pretty nice video if you want to see what I'm driving. Maybe I'll get my hands on one of these in real life one day. Very glad that I got this diecast. Super happy with it, and I can't wait to see what it looks like in my computer. So to rate this product out of 10, taking into account quality, price, everything about it, I would say it's a solid 9, in my opinion. People would say this is probably very expensive for a model car. I don't know if I would get other Tesla diecasts, but I'm very happy with this particular one that I purchased. I just noticed that the yoke actually freaking turns the wheels. That's insane. Okay, I was just wrapping up the video when I noticed that. That's a cool little touch. I'm very impressed with this thing. Definitely a 9. I'm giving it a confident 9. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more Tesla content. I have a lot of stuff coming. I've been in many crashes. I've been to the service center a billion times, and I know a lot of things about the inner workings of owning a Tesla. Stay tuned for videos on those subjects. And let me know in the comments how excited you are to see one of these actually out on the road. I know I'm very excited. This will be my favorite car, I'm pretty sure. And with that being said, thanks again for watching, everybody. Peace.